This is making my own sneakers part 3. In the previous video, I modeled these sneakers. In this video, I will be texturing them. And I have to be honest, this isn't easy at all. Just stop moaning and do what you gotta do. Exactly, nobody cares about that. I was just saying. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. That way, you'll be helping the channel and I will be posting more videos, so it's a win-win situation. As you're watching this video, I want to give a few words of advice to all the content creators out there, or at least those thinking about starting content creation, more specifically on YouTube. People that don't create content, they don't really understand the power of being able to create things. And it's not to say that it's an easy thing to do, because it's not. I mean, everyone that creates content knows that it's a hard thing to do. But on the other hand, it's very rewarding when you realize that you managed to come up with something that didn't exist maybe 20 minutes ago or even a few hours ago. But then maybe your family doesn't really understand what you're doing and they feel that you're wasting your time because there's already so many people doing the same thing and maybe you should be doing something else. Happens to a lot of us. However, shame on you. However, there's an opportunity for us to do the things that we really like. I mean, we don't have to stick to other people's opinions. You have to do the things that you really want to do. Just keep going. Don't let them decide for you, because if you allow them to take over, believe me, sooner than you know, you'll stop doing the things that you like and you'll do things that other people will like you to do. And to those thinking about starting a YouTube channel, what's there to think? Just start. Press record. I want to watch your videos too. Trust me, you're spending a lot of hours thinking about creating the perfect video, whether people are going to like you or not. Guess what? This guy's reading my mind. I know. If they don't like you, they can just find another video to watch, because your content matter, you matter, and everything that you do matters, and they don't matter because I said so. This guy should run for president. I know, he's good. So these are my words of encouragement to all of you guys out there. Stop thinking and start doing. There's a lot of space for all of us in this platform. Let's make this thing happen. Let's turn YouTube into the biggest platform ever, even though it already is, but with us in it, it will be even better. And with that being said, enjoy the rest of the video and vote for Pedro 2036, because I'm already looking forward into the future. I told you he was running. I told you, didn't I? Yeah, the boy is good. The boy is good.